Let me show you what's actually out there in the blackness above us. When you look up at night, you're seeing celestial bodies, and that's not just a poetic term. It's the catch-all for every physical object in space. Start with stars. These are massive nuclear furnaces, fusing hydrogen into helium, releasing the light and heat that makes them visible across unimaginable distances. Our Sun is one of them, a fairly average star in the grand scheme. Then there are planets. Unlike stars, planets don't produce their own light. They orbit stars and reflect whatever light hits them. Earth is one of 8 planets circling our Sun, and we've now confirmed over 5,000 planets orbiting other stars. Moons orbit planets. Our moon is the one we know best, but Jupiter has 95 confirmed moons. Saturn has over 140. Some of these moons are larger than the planet Mercury. Asteroids are rocky remnants left over from the early solar system. Most of them sit in a belt between Mars and Jupiter, but some cross Earth's orbit, which is why we track them closely. Comets are icy bodies that heat up as they approach the Sun, creating those distinctive glowing tails. They spend most of their time in the frozen outer edges of the solar system. Nebulae are enormous clouds of gas and dust. Some are stellar nurseries where new stars form. NASA's James Webb Space Telescope just released a new infrared image of the Carina Nebula, showing a region called the Treasure Chest, a cometary globule inside a major star-forming region. Galaxies are collections of billions or even trillions of stars, along with gas, dust, and dark matter, all bound together by gravity. We live in the Milky Way, a spiral galaxy containing over 200 billion stars. A recent survey update reported more than 3 million spectra, covering 1.5 million stars, giving astronomers a much larger data set to study stars, black holes, and gas in our galaxy. Then there are black holes. These form when massive stars collapse. Their gravity is so intense that not even light can escape once it crosses the event horizon. Astronomers recently reported a black hole shredding a massive star in an event they nicknamed the Whippet. It briefly released about 400 billion times the Sun's energy and launched material at 1/5 the speed of light. Dwarf galaxies orbit larger ones. The Vera C. Rubin Observatory's early data led to the discovery of Aquarius IV, described as one of the faintest of roughly 60 known small galaxies orbiting or associated with the Milky Way. And now, human-made objects are part of the conversation. SpaceX's Starlink constellation surpassed 11,000 satellites in orbit in August 2026. That's a reminder that celestial bodies now include things we built and launched ourselves. The scale is hard to grasp. Light from the nearest star beyond our Sun takes over 4 years to reach us. Light from the Andromeda Galaxy, our nearest large galactic neighbor, takes 2.5 million years. Every celestial body follows the same physical laws. Gravity shapes their motion. Nuclear forces power the stars. Electromagnetic radiation carries information across the void, and that's how we study objects we'll never physically reach. When you strip away the mystery, space is a vast laboratory. Every telescope pointed upward is gathering data on fusion, gravity, chemistry, and the life cycles of matter on the scales we can barely test here on Earth. The night sky isn't just beautiful. It's a catalog of everything that exists beyond our atmosphere, from rocks a few meters across to structures spanning billions of light years. That's what celestial bodies are. Everything out there, from the smallest grain of dust to the largest galaxy cluster, all moving through the vacuum, all obeying the same rules, all waiting to be understood a little better.